Tired of social media strategies that just exist? I am Joshua Lacaba and I transform online presence into unstoppable growth. In today's crowded digital landscape, being seen isn't just enough. You need to be remembered, you need to connect, and that's exactly what I help brands do. My expertise spans in full spectrum of the social media management, from crafting compelling contents that drives genuine engagement across platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and TikTok, to dividing deep into analytics and optimizing strategies for maximum ROI. I also excel in community engagement, building authentic relationship that turns followers into advocates. For example, I recently boosted my previous client's Instagram engagement by 40% in just 3 months, resulting in 25% increase in website traffic. Another success story includes growing another client's LinkedIn presence by 500 followers in 6 weeks through targeted content and influencer collaboration. I don't just post, I strategize. I believe in data driven decisions combined with creative storytelling. My passion is translating brand's message into engagement narratives that resonates with audience and drives business outcomes. If you're looking forward for a social media management who delivers measurable results and can elevate your brand online presence, let's connect. Just visit JL Tech Media on Facebook or email me at joshualacaba07 at gmail.com. Thanks for watching.